I had a customer send me a vinyl decal request of their high school mascot branding. So in order to recreate, I first needed to determine the font. Did you know that Photoshop has this cool feature built in and it can find fonts that are fairly close, if not exactly the same as your image? Let me show you how I created this design. First, load your image into Photoshop. In your menu bar, go to Type, Match Font. Select the area of the font you want to match. I wanted to match the smaller text on the bottom since there were more characters to match it to. Then let Photoshop do its magic. Once you determine which font looks similar to the original, click the Download from Cloud icon on the left. This puts the font into Adobe Creative Cloud. Head to Illustrator. If you already had it open like me, save your document and reopen so the font can load from Creative Cloud. Add a text box and search for the newly downloaded font. Also, add in any other graphics or images you will need to finish your design. I could not determine the font for soldiers, and that does happen sometimes. In this instance, I recreated the wording with my pen tool. And then I added an offset to create that outline in the back, and it's done. For the soldier, I use the image trace function in Illustrator. Check out my last video for a quick overview on how to do that. If you found this tutorial useful, comment, "Photoshop is magical." Seriously, it is. Just let me know that down below. Thanks for learning with me. Go create something awesome.